Hey friends, this is Atif Opier. Well and welcome to the update on Dogelon Mars. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price of Dogelon Mars broke out a very big and long-term down channel, and after that, it also broke out a very long-term resistance on as well, and it was retesting the previous resistance on as a support zone. And this was my last video. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, this is by the way a daily time frame, then you can see that still it is retesting this support zone. We had a long spike beyond this support zone, but could not break it down and the pricing is now again recovered back. By the way, this support line starts from 2500 and goes to point double zero double zero and double zero six times zero double two zero $2.5. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this zone has been breaking at a very strong resistance here. Resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and for several weeks a month it has been breaking as support. Now after the breakout, it is again flipped into a nice support. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very, very massive breakout that is happening here on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for ATA, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade signal I shared on 2nd of January 2025 in my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was a buying zone, sell target sign, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. After that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Dogelon Mars. And here on the daily time frame chart, you can see that for the past several weeks or days, it has been moving inside this channel. And I was telling you that after the breakout from this channel, our target will be here at the top of the channel at 4200. And over there, by the way, we have a very long-term resistance as well at 4200. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 4200 has been previously breaking as a resistance here. And before that, it was breaking as a resistance here. And for a few weeks, it has been breaking as a resistance here as well. Therefore, this time again, despite this long spike, the price could not break it out. However, we have broken out this very, very long-term resistance zone that was previously breaking as a support zone here for several weeks a month. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance here. And after the breakout, it was again flipped into a support here. And here it was again breaking as a resistance, resistance. And now after the breakout, again, it is breaking as a support. Despite this long spike, the pricing could not break it down. However, if the pricing breaks it down, then here we have another quite long-term uptrend line support as well. It was previously breaking as support here, and support here, and support here. Recently, it was also breaking as a support here, and after the breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance. And after the breakout, you can see that again, it is flipped into a support. We have tested the support here and here it up. Now, if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that target will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at point double zero double zero and zero five times zero double two seven $2.276. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.